back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Natasha and I have some very exciting news. I'm going to Chicago tomorrow. It's my first time going to Chicago. I'm so excited. It's also my first time taking a trip since I moved here to Canada. So it's going to be really good. I'm meeting my friend Natasha there, who you probably know from my other vlogs in Costa Rica and Mexico and everything. It's kind of a work trip, but also fun. However, today's video is going to be my travel day hacks or pre-travel day hacks. So for example, this morning I went for a run, which is why my hair looks like this. I wanted to get a workout in first thing in the morning because I know today's going to be crazy. And I made sure it was a nice and sweaty one because I scheduled a hair appointment for literally right now. I've been needing to get my hair cut for forever, so I was like, why don't I schedule it the day before my trip so that way my hair is nice and done for my whole 2 days, 3 days in Chicago. So I'm gonna run to my appointment right now and then I will come back, show you guys how I'm packing, what I'm packing, and before I head out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you haven't already, and let me know if you've gone to Chicago. What are your favorite things to do there? I might be going back again very soon, so I'd love to know some recommendations for next time I'm in town. But with all of that being said, I need to head to my appointment, so I will see you guys in a bit. I just finished getting my COVID test done. It was $200 because I had to get the 24-hour one. Even though my flight is technically in 48 hours, they told me to be safe, I needed to get the 24-hour one. 48 hours is $150, but walk-in clinic, I can leave the information down below. It was a struggle for me to figure out where to go to get this COVID test from, but I thankfully found it. They don't give them for free. In the US, I'm able to get COVID test for free at CVS. And so are you. So go there and make an appointment, which I did for when I arrive in Chicago. Walking home now, super cold. I don't know how to dress for this weather yet. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I'm gonna get a lot of work done. I have to pack and prepare for my launch for Clear Sky. So let's go do that. Back, my hair is cut and blow dried. Time to put makeup on and pack, film lots of content, and get ready for my trip to Chicago. But first, I think I need some coffee. It took me a lot longer than I intended to get to where I'm at right now because I was so exhausted. I think it's because my sleep schedule has been kind of off. I ran 3 miles or more than 3 miles straight this morning. But now I am ready, finally did my makeup, my hair is done from earlier. I'm gonna film a bunch of TikToks on travel, all my travel tips, travel hacks. This way I have a lot of content to push out for Instagram, TikTok, and for Clear Sky. Clear Sky is my brand that I am launching on Amazon. It might already be launched by now, so if it is, the link will be in the description. This is my first product. This is a sample that I have been using for the past 6 months while I've been traveling everywhere, so it's not the best piece to show you guys, but yeah, I've been working on this for over a year. You guys know if you've watched my Amazon videos, my Amazon journey, all of these things, but it's finally here and I'm just feeling so crazy. Like it's insane that it's finally happening. But in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I pack my Clear Sky for travel. Of course, this is TSA approved, so you can take it in your carry-on, which is what I'm doing for my trip. And I'll show you guys what I put in here, what I'm taking with me clothes-wise, and all of that. But another hack of mine for traveling or prior travel day is to get all of your work done and get more work done than you need to. So that's why I'm batch filming a bunch of things, so that way when I'm in Chicago, I can focus on creating content and vlogging and making TikToks about Chicago and not what I need to be posting and everything while I'm there. So make sure you check out Clear Sky. We'll be seeing this again later when I pack my toiletries. And right now I'm gonna film some TikToks and maybe go live. So I'm gonna do that and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. my camera is still on the tripod because I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I'm almost done packing. I filmed a lot of packing content for TikTok, and I also kind of show you guys what I do in this vlog. I packed my clear sky container, just enough clothes for 2 days, dinners, maybe a workout. I packed my sneakers for working out, 2 pairs of boots, and I think I might do some shopping while I'm there, so I also am prepared to have some space for that. However, right now I really need to run because I'm going to get a Halloween costume with my friends here in Vancouver, so I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, we found our costume sort of. We're still putting it together, but progress is being made and Halloween's going to be killer. Good evening. I am back home from Halloween shopping with my friends and I'm just finishing up packing my suitcase. It's almost done. It's about 9:30, so I'm going to close out this vlog because I have to wake up at 5 a.m. My suitcase looks like this. So it's pretty full, but there's definitely a lot of space in there. I want there to be some space because I am going to probably shop in Chicago. This is my prep for Chicago vlog. It's gonna be a super quick trip, so I'm just taking my carry-on, my backpack so my laptop can go in it, and of course my camera and all those things. When I'm in Chicago, of course, I'm going to be vlogging, showing you guys around everything I get into, and I think I will also film some content on what I packed and what I usually take with me while I travel, so you guys can see that as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you haven't done that as well, and leave me a comment if you have gone to Chicago, or if you haven't, just come say hi and connect with me on Instagram and TikTok. I just posted so many things today there. But yeah, thank you for watching this vlog, and I will leave you with the night sky of Vancouver.